Hello, welcome to my channel. Focus on skills. Tips to be successful in group discussions. Before group discussion, be prepared with in-depth knowledge of current national and international affairs. Try to keep track of some common trending topics. Develop the skill of thinking on topics which require imagination and creative ability. Extensive reading and writing gives the ability. You must have proper general knowledge in original ideas. Develop these ideas logically. What skills are judged in GD? How you behave and interact with group. How good you are at communication with others. How open-minded you are to put forward your views. Your listening and speaking skills. Your subject knowledge in decision-making skill. Your analysis and critical thinking skills. Your leadership, attitude and confidence. Leadership skills. A good leader is one who starts the discussion, fixes time limit for each candidate, allows them to express their views, maintains discipline and directs the discussion to a probable conclusion and summarize at the end. As a leader, express your thoughts clearly, concisely and logically with effective verbal communication. Complement the agreeable points and intervene without leaving a bad impression. Make a positive contribution by agreeing to and expanding an argument made by someone else. Make each member feel that his contribution is wanted. Encourage non-participants to speak and maintain friendly attitude. Show enthusiasm. Do's and don'ts of group discussion. Initiate the GD. Initiative is the ability to act without being told. It is a big plus. If you are a dynamic person by nature and you feel confident about your knowledge on the topic, then don't waste time. Initiate the action. Speak first. Be proactive, not reactive. But initiate the group discussion only when you understand the topic clearly and have some topic knowledge. Speaking without proper subject knowledge creates a bad impression. The first step. Introduce the topic without taking sides. Do not take strong views in the beginning itself. A bad strategy is to say at the outset whether you are for or against the topic. Remember, it is not a debate but a discussion. See the way in which the discussion is proceeding and give arguments for or against. Show willingness to listen and discuss various points of view. Use simple words. Express your feelings politely and clearly. Create an atmosphere in which all feel free to participate. Formal dressing. Dress professionally. No fancy and funny dressing. You should be comfortable while speaking in group. Check your posture. Good eye contact. Do not look at the evaluator. Keep eye contact with every team member while speaking. Positive gesture and body language will make your work easy. Look alert but not still. Allow others to speak. Do not interrupt anyone in between while speaking. Even if you don't agree with their thoughts, do not snatch their chance to speak. State any disagreement calmly but with conviction. Don't be too aggressive. If you are disagreeing with someone, don't control the discussion. Analyze the views of others before responding. Speak sensibly. Do not speak just to increase your speaking time. Don't worry even if you speak less. Your thoughts should be sensible and relevant. Positive attitude. Do not try to dominate anyone or try to be the center of attention all the time. Don't get involved in cross-talks, low-key conversation, cross-consultations and asides. Conflict handling skills. Sometimes, two or more candidates have a heated discussion and start shouting at each other. As a group leader, steps in and cools them down with your conflict handling skills. Make sure to bring the discussion on track. If by any means group is distracting from the topic, simply take initiative to bring the discussion on the track. Make all aware that you need to come to some conclusion at the end of the discussion. So, stick to the topic. Listen carefully to others. Speak less and listen more. Show interest in discussion. Pay attention while others are speaking. This will make coherent discussion and you will get involved in the group positively. You will surely make people agree with you. No need to go into much details. Some basic subject analysis is sufficient. No need to mention exact figures while giving any reference. You have limited time, so be precise and convey your thoughts in short and simple language. Time management. Here, as the best leader, express all your views within your own time limit, give other candidates time to express their views and summarize everyone's views in a few minutes just before the discussion ends. The selectors look for the candidates who are accepted by the others in the group. They look for candidates who have an open mind and accept good ideas from others. They reject candidates who try to interrupt and dominate others. They also reject those who speak for a long time, not allowing others to speak. Follow these tips and emerge as a successful candidate. GD tells your attitude towards others and how good you are as a team player, how confident you are while speaking with groups, how easily you can explain your views, and how much sense you make while speaking. Next video on nonverbal communication.